A clunking sound in your vehicle, especially going over bumps, going around corners, or going over potholes that sounds like metal to metal, hopefully this video will help you out. I'm going to show you how to change stabilizer links, which in a lot of cases that's what the front end clunking sound is coming from. So this is what we're going to be changing. This is a stabilizer link. Now what happens is, this is kind of a ball and socket design. So this is full of grease. We have a grease seal right here. And what happens is this seal breaks, the grease leaks out, and then as this moves around, it kind of clunks back and forth because you have metal to metal contact. So this is what we're going to be replacing. And when you do stabilizer links, do both sides. So you need to remove one wheel at a time, or you can do both if you're capable. But you want to jack up the car and keep the car level. You don't want to jack up one side of the car and try to change it. If you jack up one side of the car, you're going to put too much tension on here, and this is really going to pop off when you let it loose. So jack up the front end of the car, keep it level, and then you could do one side at a time. Now a lot of times these are either 14 or 15 millimeter nuts, and then you'll usually have like an Allen key right here, because when you go to loosen this, this will start to turn as well. So if you don't have an Allen key, on the back side, and I'll show you up close, you can usually put like a 14 or 15 millimeter open end wrench on there to stop this from turning. So the brand that I like to use is called Moog. It's M-O-O-G. And you can see it's got a nice big area right here to put an open end wrench on while you tighten up the nut. A lot of the cheaper versions will have a really small nut there, and they're really hard to put on. As long as you have your car jacked up completely level, there shouldn't be any tension on these links, and they should just come right out. I'll go ahead and reinstall the new one. Then I have a 3/4 open end wrench on the back and a 5/8 on the front. And we'll go ahead and just tighten this up. There is to it, guys. 90% of your front end kind of clunks, rattles, snaps, pops, whatever you want to call them, is caused by those worn out stabilizer links. You can easily switch them out in about a half hour, 45 minutes, and it costs you about less than 50 bucks. Do it all on your own. Hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.